You've been trying to save your emergency fund for 3 years. Still at zero? I know exactly why. Everyone tells you to save, but they never tell you how. So you try to save what's left over every month. Spoiler alert, there's nothing left ever. Because our brains don't work that way. If you save last, you save never. Most people won't believe this, but 41% of Americans can't cover a $1,000 emergency with their savings. 41%. Not because they're irresponsible, because the method is broken. How do I know this works? I'm Wahidah, a licensed wealth manager, and I saw this pattern again and again, keeping people stuck for years. But now I'm on your team. Working in finance, I've seen it so many times. They'll say, I'll just start saving when I make more. Then they get a raise and spend more. Every time. Then all of a sudden, we flip it, and by the end of the year, thousands saved. They didn't even feel pinched. Most people won't believe how simple this actually is. Step 1, your emergency fund has to become invisible money. Here's what nobody tells you. If you can see it, you will spend it. And that's not bad money habits, that's psychology. This is where I might lose some of you. But spending isn't the issue. The order your money moves is. If savings comes last, it never happens. Open a completely separate high-yield savings account, not at your regular bank. A different bank, a different app, a different login. You're creating friction on purpose. Why do you think Amazon wants a one-click checkout? Because friction kills action. We're using that against your spending brain. Now here's the magic. $40 a week? That's what most people spend on coffee and random Target runs. Automate it to leave your account the day after payday, before you pay all your rent and bills and have a quick night out, not after. You know what's crazy? Your brain won't even notice $40 missing. But if you had to manually move that, you best bet it's going to hurt. This is where I might lose some of you because I'm about to tell you to spend more freely. But what about bills? Step 2, everything else becomes your visible money. And here's the part that'll change everything. If you are still watching, you're already ahead of people. You stop feeling guilty about spending visible money. Coffee? Sure, it's visible money. Concert tickets? Visible money. Go for it. Dinner out? Visible money. Yes. But once you hit zero in that visible money account, we're done. We're cutting ourselves off, right? Meanwhile, your invisible money is growing without you thinking about it. Here's what happens in your brain. The old way, save what's left, always zero. Feel like a failure. So you give up. The 2-step process, pay yourself first. Automatic growth. Spend freely with whatever is left over so you feel abundant. Are you ready to stop feeling broke? Because I am. I'm trying to have my friends out with me, having fun and having a good time. And I want you there with me. Isn't that the whole point of life? Here's the truth. Millionaires didn't get rich by having more discipline. They just automated earlier. And this isn't taught in school because broke people are easier to control. You've been trying to save the scraps left over, but not anymore. Right now, while you're watching this, open a high-yield savings account. I use VioBank, just choose one that works for you. Number 2, set up a $40 weekly auto transfer for tomorrow. Name the account Catch Me If I Fall Fund, and that's what I name my account. It'll take 4 minutes. You'll have $1,000 saved in 6 months without feeling the pinch. Next Sunday, I'm going over how I automated my entire paycheck routine and now only spend 10 minutes every month paying my bills. Subscribe so you don't miss when it comes out, all right? And this is how we close the wealth gap and get rich and stay ungovernable. All right, bye for now, friends. See you Sunday.